Okay, man, I know Ogechi follow this woman. This woman have already decided to leave Ogechi. Ogechi, we plan all within the cohort. If it's Ogechi now, so what wickedness here? She went and planned with her cohort. No, shall it is Sharon, no problem. Put me anywhere. I told me wafa. It wants to go here called. Now she started going to Sharon page, no ginger Sharon. Jevin a page ginger, no ginger ginger. Kechi benko na.
Let the governor fan double Ogechi major. I got the petition. Let them go and put in their petition. I have put in my own. The person Nkechi that don't have money managed to put her petition without nobody 1 naira inside it. Before tomorrow they say Benko is ungrateful. Let them go and put their petition.
Petition. The woman still go be at the petition. I'm gonna the woman now go find a way to answer or join you now get close. Madam, can I put my petition? Also, yes.
But Ori, forget.
Put here.
You people should not forget Julie Agro, because Julie played 100% role in everything. Propaganda. Online. And that is why if I'm saying I appreciate people, Julie will be number one. I appreciate because she played a very vital role. So nobody should forget her because she played a very good role.
Thank you. Let me be honest with you. Julie might play a very vital role on your own side. But based on the movie industry in general, Julie never played a vital role like that.
No. Ori, I'm not going that side. Yeah.
If any follow make it Ogechi abata ho Nigeria. Kwa onu pre ka ya dakwa ekwu na social media. Mana Ogechi ekwesigi bata Nigeria for long time. Anything you see Ogechi ekwesigi bata na Nigeria for long time. Oge ahụ I say let there be peace between you and that woman, Maryam Justice, and you and Amakadora. Mostly. Juliagu was among the stumbling block. Now, see, nobody feel control you, but that is not control. All of you get a fork. You understand nobody is controlling you, nobody is telling you what to do, but just only if you lose, go again on certain things. And you see how you play the role, the thing work, or do not conguji the key of the role.
Ori, in Agafa, only between me and Julie, my darling, you know I cares about you. And I will always appreciate you. Only me and Julie know what I'm saying. Julie, we're very private somebody. We're a very private person because I'm not like but I just don't want her to be forgotten. So
okay.
Yes. So for people no like the life I did yesterday for Amma, Amma, like I told her yesterday, Amma, if you need help in putting petition, or you speak, give a few people so that you put your own in, because Amma, your son was involved. And if you don't get justice now, That means you ain't on Facebook. It makes sense. You have to do something. So, my dear, like I told you yesterday, we have insulted her enough. When I say
yes,
we, including me, because if I didn't send Adama Zidan voice note with the trust, Chicho when I wouldn't have gotten it. You want to go?
yes.
So I'm not gonna exclude myself because I want to send them that voice note to that Ekuensu to know my admin out of trust without no evil intention. Now that voice note. Yeah, when I send other Geraldine played it. Geraldine know that she's not gonna get away with it. So she brought it out.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
The whole world knew very well that Geraldine, the husband snatcher, is a very wicked person. Pay attention. When you see what happened to Ogechi now, do you know when somebody comes to your life with negativity, many things will be happening to you.
Exactly.
Pay attention. When Geraldine never with Ogechi, do you see Ogechi talking of going to Nigeria?
No.
The answer is no. But immediately Geraldine came to Ogechi live, the negativity of Geraldine is what pushed Ogechi Okeke Njaka to Nigeria without apologizing to people. She offended. Let me ask you a question. Do you think when Ogechi was in America, she, her family, her husband, and some important people called this woman on phone, even on live video, and started apologizing, not even apologize, and start telling her, do you think this woman will not drop all those cases against Ogechi?
And because yes, she will.
Eh?
She will.
She will, right?
Yes, she will.
Now, I want to ask you, what gave the Ogechi the impetus, the morale to go to Nigeria? She no Ogechi to Nigeria with Anyankete. The answer is no. She went to Nigeria by force.
Yeah.
And she went through Hiki. But that thing that pushed her to go to Nigeria still bring her out in Wagwata Fifia and celebration. True or false? Because nobody knew that Ogechi was in Nigeria.
Nobody knew until she came on that live video.
God bless
Nobody
you.
knew.
God bless you.
Oh no, my ear, she would have calmly.
God bless you.
Omega, Okalesia.
Now,
Only didn't know what that and
now let's go to Shishi Ogbonne activity impact towards Ogechi capturing. Currently, let's not go to the back one, the old one, this current one. Shishi Ogbonne said before, pay attention, because she thought we forgot. Nobody forgot. If everybody forgot, I've never forgotten. When Shishi Ogbonne want to go to Ogechi, she said, and I quote, that the lawsuit against Ogechi is dead on arrival. True or false?
True.
That she will bring things that will scatter the lawsuit and everything that concern anything against Ogechi.
She thought Geraldine thought she has the power.
No. Almabiano, NK Chelu. NK, listen. Actually, I don't want to bring sense inside it. Because when you lose sense, some people might not understand. Like I say, they thought that I was supporting Ama. But last, in Butuzie, so I told me the sense of belonging. You know? Now, Shishobune was agitating, telling Ogechi and her followers that she has every proof that can dismantle anything they hold against Ogechi. True or false?
True.
And they come on to bring out the face of intelligent. She could not be able to do it. True or false?
Not be able to do it. True. And I see again force.
God bless you. And all these things are among the things that gave Ogechi the morale and the impetus to even venture to go into Nigeria. All like among. Because Ogechi like to come close to you so that he will face what is at stake.
Saga material, just like she thought she know what him getting.
Yes. God bless you. And now Ogechi now is in Nigerian government custody. True or false?
True.
When you go to Shishi Ogbonne page, what is she bringing out there? Is it not still saga materials?
Still saga material.
Is she bringing anything valuable? Ogechi will use in a courtroom.
Nothing. Instead, she is mocking Ogechi.
You know, passing sense is not passing sense. Passing sense is not what? Passing sense. Mgbe mụ na Sharon no. All na you can twice when Sharon ma very well. I will not even allow her to play that video. Oh my God. All those voices. I will not allow her to play it. Oh my, you know me.
But
we give Sharon every reasonable doubt. I will explain to her the reason why she will not play it. All the form of Mbeguna Amakadora Hamwell issue. Jinjin Venza was claiming that he is fighting for Amakadora. Amakadora never sent him. He was claiming that he's fighting for Amakadora. Now, when Jinjin was trying to show your nakedness, because ends and concern, your nude is not outside. It's only your nakedness.
Yes.
When Jinjin Venza was trying to show your nakedness, Amakadora was commenting. She never commented. Manama no yana na the program. Mpoye na call. Immediately, ask her. Mpoye na call or PK. By then, Mona Gadro na mal. NK. Mpoye na call or PK. Mpoye amaka ozam. Mpokwe amaka ozam. Nsi amaka osin yes. Nsi Nkeshibenko insult your mother. Okay. Let's put it that way. Mananne, please, if you are respecting me the way I'm respecting you, if Moka Mummiri Jinjin Venza start showing Nkeshibenko's nakedness, don't comment there. That day I on a bar, I will never forget that very day. You say, please don't comment on that program in general. Amakadora Simori, Kefi Jukweto, and see, on a magwa what to do, but don't comment. because that Nkechi Benko is a woman like you. Put me anywhere. Osimori Mwifemen Nsiemba. Osimetu Ansigwe no yeme. Amaka never commented on that program. Say that program end. Till that program did what? Ended. Because Muma Woliena Ngunwa Nkechi, they got about what is going on, how to play this matter. Kogasmo. Now, all the old monkeys and baboons that is supporting Ogechi Okeke Njaka, shouting right on. Right on. Do you remember when they captured her the first time in Nigeria?
Mm-hmm.
I dropped a song and say, left for me, they should leave that useless woman to go. Left for me, they should allow her to go. She's a useless person. No, come on, I ain't na battle on social media here. I said it openly. I said it openly. I still made a video about that. Na my live video. Left for me, they should allow her. She's foolish. She don't know what she's doing. Ogechi is a bastard. Ogechi is a useless guy. She don't want to be a mother. They should allow her to be. But this Maryam justice unu na-enaya. Onwelu odiobi nwelu obele. She wanted to leave Ogechi before.
Yeah.
Decide to go before. Look, I'm out of this. Let this useless woman go. Let me just focus on what I want to achieve.
Mm-hmm.
But the same Ogechi
Now came out.
her mother called to beg on her behalf. She came out again because of who? The courtesy of Chichi Ogboipuya.
Unfortunate.
And the fortunate. And then they ride on. They ride on.
Alicia Ali Nwokoko.
Nke mulo mo itono okwa igosi no mo odina ikwani
Ojolo yi ojola pia wo
odina ikwani ano odina ya akwadie na call here now sharply okwa kwani ebo obi before jelo odina ya akwadie na call I just na akwali the man ugwu maka na onye Igbo komalo no so say with spirit odina ya akwadie na call nya may call anywhere sin a lie si po die na call nya try anyway ko kweta na eme idea her. She's a foolish woman, useless thing.
Ima most of them, they know the truth.
Of course, now they were chanting Ogechi ride on, Ogechi ride on, Ogechi ride on. Ogechi mother now called and they pleaded on Ogechi's behalf. Yes. Pleaded on Ogechi's behalf. Instead of the useless thing to close her mouth.
Yeah, as the name made the worse.
Of that the page. The first day fully on a page. Ever play voice note to the woman. Now I say, ride on, send me the voice note, send me the voice note. Canceling a 1 year, Nana. You will never be forgiven again.
Never.
1 year, Nana. Oh, Nana. If she will never be forgiven again. And now the Shishi Ogboipuya that is telling the world that Ogechi case is dead on arrival.
As if not know what the case.
Yes. Now, what have been her own contribution now? Now this Ogechi case.
Travel. We go out on vacation. As always.
Her own Oji Maya bottle more to Kogono. I'm drunk. Kaya suna una one day wine on this situation. ya pụta bupụta mmanya na-eme am drunk. Ka ya sị na ọnwụrụ na nne ye nọ na this problem, ya pụta bupụta bọtụ na-eme am drunk. Ka ya sị na ọnwụrụ na di ozulu ezumak nọ na this situation, ya pụta na-post video saga. What does that tell you? That this woman is 100% mad and the daft. Prostitute for that matter.
Video you are not there to prove that no one yala. So what else? I don't know being so I will go through it.
Now,
in the Poku Geraldine, Geraldine have destroyed Ogechi. Geraldine was the first person that started the haircut with Mr. Obi. So Geraldine helped us a lot.
Naya. I don't want to even go to the past ones. I show me Jane at the past things. Because sense and concern. Geraldine is the worst deceiver.
Ekwinsu naga church. Ekwinsu with the sister Choma.
That is why. Ego ahụ nna na since okweghị enyem. Ego ya nna na ekweghị enyem. That is why nji pet gide n'azụ ọma nye m that money. Nsogide private ama ekwesị ka mmadụ mali ife mụ na na-eme. Ama ekwutedu otimori akwa awayo adịm ekwute na social media until napụta ọkwụngwalụ nọ na mma napụtara gị ego a ekwunyana m ala
The money
100% na anapụtara nya dị ego m sharply. Ọnwụ ụbọchị mkpu na live video say Geraldine imechi enu man I must collect that money from your hand. If I no collect am by force, I will collect it by kind. Ma megide ife ma napụta the money. Nsogide ma napụta ego ahụ by force. Anapụtara nya the money by fire by force. Joy, it does not concern me. Now napụtara the money, now I'm satisfied. I'd go satisfied. You cannot be with Geraldine and your life will remain the same. Never. I know the kind of human being or Geraldine cannot be your friend. Geraldine will always target you because the evil inside her don't allow her to sleep.
Oh,
she is so evil that she don't want your progress. Naya, oya bata na movie industry. Ife na-eme ye jile agụ eze ọnụ. When you fall into the trap of what happened to others, nobody will even look at your face. Na movie industry osisi ahụ mmadụ hụ anya na. I remember what Geraldine with Ken did. How they have issues. When you put on Geraldine, nwere onye ọ na-aba n'ime progress na it's only negativity every day.
It's only negativity, I swear.
Then nwolu that time mune eke nkwụcha joy intelligent caller agwala nya nke nkwụcha very very well because I know this woman is never a good person. She's never a good person. Ekele nkwụcha very well. That is why she could not be able to bring out any voice note about me. Because onye na mu na edo na mma ma kojo onye ahụ even na kojolo for. Why must I kojolo again? Onto which level? Nke gunu jime. Do I have all this time? Nkoro no kocha na social media. Eto anti happy epo hapo ko na nyajewa. Maya go me go Maya ngo cool my brain. Maybe because I don't have time. Fumwe cook. Now, I try my possible best to study Geraldine. Mfuna Geraldine is an evil woman. I distance myself from her. But the reason why, if you watch the program I'm running before, if you my sister, Geraldine is our sister, I have to go there. All those time, the time when you fight, cannot put that money. My spirit is a mona put one year. Mana put a nsi wɔn sigidɔn nsi ɛkyerɛde na $1 aba bɔ wɔn aka iye nye lili megua you must it's a must ɔgye nye mo nwere onye gwale mgbe obiri mu mgbọmgbọ 200,000 ben kai nene your boss go nsi chai Chineke akwọ na ọkụ today ọbago ka ọ wụrụgodu nke Njaka na every bad thing you did to me ka njiri nke a wee na-edi. I'm telling you something.
So Ori, let's come back. Ahụrụ advice inye gị ama ịghọtago. So now at this point now, kedu ife I nwere ike ime na ka ama just come go no down.
Forget ya na ya agwana m ama. Onwere na ya ka ngwa. Ama ga mbon. Na nwaanyị enwere issue. At all. Ama ga mbon. Na nwaanyị enwere issue. Nwaanyị a shi nwe issue. O ye ebu ụzọ bidogodu from fortunate and the prince Selino Napolo.
Exactly. Yes.
Na charity home here. True or false?
True.
If one wanna put outside in our social media, I tell you on true or false?
True.
If somebody turn golu, I will go public domain.
Exactly.
True or false?
It's no longer a secret.
It's no longer a secret. Yes. True or false?
True.
Even when I want on social media, when I wipe it on social media, I know who can say na ye will judge, na ye will lawyer, na ye will this. It's just na the court of law. Judge to play of folk, you never anya kamonke. You will be looking for your lawyer to defend you. Now, Ama went to Nigeria. Keta ame we can't you want your Ama went to Nigeria. What is woman Ama in Nigeria? Yes. Did this woman arrest Ama?
No.
The answer is no.
I want problem, Ama.
Nanti. Fortunately, Buzo Puputokwa, kidnapping, went to Nigeria. Prince went to they have went to Nigeria on countless time. And the top
yes, now.
God bless you. Then, can you see how is happen in the Puputal Dioku? Je Chawazio Tili Dioku on Potalona public domain. I don't see any sense inside the talk. From any sense ever. Uno tumpulo ti no make sense in follow the amane. So if I dey kweba man now, amano elo nwe ka wan ya no elo nwe. If the woman did not recognize her, let it be so. After all, she never recognized me. But because she did not recognize me, will I start fighting her? Because she never recognized me?
No.
The answer is
no.
Because she never recognized me, will I start castigating her now? The answer is
no.
Is her own right. This woman is a married woman for crying out loud.
A married woman.
With children. Apart from married, nwaanyị nọ 15 years nwere ike ịnụ di mana nwaanyị amụgo nwa nwata pụrụ eze abụrụzi nwata. That is why mmadụ bi netalụ nwa ọ na nwa ga-epuo n'eze ọ sị ọzi taa ka ịmụdụrụ nwa aka ananụ amara ni na out ebe na-eje nke. So why I'm saying this because of one thing. The program ama na-eme as if that this woman is trying to intimidate her. Ama na-eme kaya say na the woman I won't lie you to myself. Only one program Amamelu. We play. I was watching this program early morning today. When they play video, this woman, the woman no anything no basarinya. So, Kezi if I'm gonna fight the woman, I don't know. The woman me po nukuo na ndị niile lebelie kidnapper no ye me ha arrest okpo ha afa ndị lebele kidnapper ka nko ana asị na mụnwa na maybe tomorrow video might surface ọwụrụ na nso wee kpọ kidnapper. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. So kezi fail jido ka ya sị na nke amadu is special. Okay,
can drop Zinaya. Or you will comment somebody make it here. Also, Ogechi Benko, if you don't have millions for this case, just see how they will use your naked videos and your shisha smoking mess you and your chihuahua lawyer up.
Thank you.
Also, Elahe, Crystal Owoma. Do you know that you are very daft?
Crystal Owoma.
Do you know Imani the daft? It is very, very daft. Also, this case will teach all of you a lesson. None of you is innocent, including you, Uriak. Crystal Owoma, you are very, very daft.
Thank you.
Una evidence is shisha and what else? You dey mad for it. What is nakedness? You demand for it.
Thank you, Naya. Thank you, Naya. Ogechi Okeke Njaka is just in Nigeria to suffer her suffer. Pay attention. Ogechi Okeke Njaka is nobody. Ogechi Okeke Njaka is nobody. Now you fetch Malo Ogechi na social media. If you Malo Ogechi na social media will auto amo. Chineke pon ne roko. Chineke pon na roko. Rest in peace. If possible, even the old ministers and the old senate, Ogechi Okeke Njaka.
Christopher Wama.
Enke. What can I call Ezekome? This son now stand the phone and the can. In my case Ogechi Ajena table.
Are you serious?
I swear with my life.
No.
I swear with my life.
So
God bless you. Do you know now what kind of winner? Ebuko obieti ono na kesi Ogechi again. Okwema.
Otoguku. Arabalanda. Ori biko lepu sorry.
Nanya onwere anybody mo Ogechi with good character. I'm Ogechi with character assassination everywhere. Nobody knows Ogechi with good character. Onwere ofu onye ịmara mụ na muna madukwu ama like ikwu o nwere ofu onye nya na Ogechi rikọrọ na this current saga everything oge olololo na-akọ iri nya ka mụ na onye ajeli ikwu okwu onye a kpọrọ mụ na eji ikwu okwu private nsi I know you don't record me osi ma ori akụkọ eke will record you ọnwa enwe ife ọgwara m thank you
na-ekwu nna m
ọ sịrị m unu shi igbu Ogechi gbuo na ọ gbasara ihe I swear with you mana ọkwa onye ya na Ogechi na social media na-eti ori udere ori nka ori nka ịnanya since ejidela Ogechi Sharon eji ozi ike akpọ m afa mụ nwe ejighị ike akpọ ya afa
ọ lakpurule ọmịana ka asụ
the only thing o ya emedewe na ụlọ ya achọ mmadụ ka ayọwa nwaanyị a ka ma na ya ayọta ọ mara onye ọ ya akpọ ka ayọ ka ma na ya ayọta because irrelevant na social media cannot help the matter. You will deprive yourself immediately. You don't even have Canadian passport. Why will you say, Ogechi American passport? Stand to lose so many things. Why will you say, go Canadian passport? The whole world knows Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Ogechi that came out on live video to start showing your nakedness. Ain't it true or false?
True.
Honor for about your father. Melungu want to decide you're burying on social media. True or false? She was the one that said, no, you send your nakedness to your father. Your father saw it and collapsed and died. No, there is no good atom of murder in Ogechi. And the character of Ogechi Okeke Njaka was what made this woman and Maryam justice to start challenging her. No, but one Igbo, nwoke ndị Igbo, nwoke amụ mmiri, ụmụ nwaanyị ndị Igbo, ọ nọ na di ala di, na ndị Edo steeti ka ha mma. This is what she said. Na ndị Edo steeti meregono ka fa mma. Nwaanyị wee si na nyanwa wo onye.
This life, I will talk to you guys because on a interrupt the video because
when you wee si na nyanwa wo onye Igbo. Ogechi, you don't have right to say all this thing you are saying. Stop disgracing ndị Igbo. Onye ba ko no we tal nwaanyị a we na enwe.
Exactly, that was what she said.
Okay.
That was what she said.
Unknown number. Hello? Hello? Yeah? Bide? Hello? Maybe number and cast, no got a call and a call. And about this stupid foreign number. Truken ze eins. Ik heb niet truclo eins. Ik heb nog truken eins. Mba, all the on the internet. I don't know. I'm if I na call. So, Enke, she started fighting this woman. Now this woman retaliated. Ogechi Mechion, the woman continued telling her what she's doing that is not good. Now, the woman now started telling her what she did that is not good. Before you know what is going on, or seen that the woman no uncircumcised alamajiri, then threatened, not even that one, threatened to buy the woman and her family. She threatened. She threatened to deal with the woman and her family. That is when this woman feel uncomfortable and decided to fight Ogechi with everything she had.
Exactly.
And the unfortunate was telling Ogechi, no, Nyawa fortunate. They went at $10,000 every month. That he is fortunate is ready to stand for Ogechi. But now, fortunate went to Nigeria. To even open his mouth to say, Maryam, justice, the way you are pursuing Ogechi is not good. You cannot pursue her. She did nothing to you. Fortunate could not be able to talk.
Yeah.
When she came back to America, she started throwing words without calling them. Up to today, everyone unfortunate because Maryam justice.
Instead, you are gonna send unclear Kobian. I can't from Maryam Kobian Yobiko.
Okay, Maryam wants to know send your Kobian Yobiko. Okurunya koda mepuo. Ano okunya no Maryam. Na gu ni ife use one brain. Don't allow Mubingos to be telling you right on. Who are these people? Onye kafawo. Mubingos. Alisa travel.
Mugus. Mugus. Ihe na ede na ko teacher my plan. Ah, see. Go and deal with my lawyer.
Imagine.
Go and deal with my lawyer. I have nothing to say anymore. I have people representing me, so go and deal with them.
The woman. The woman. Fortunate could not be able to support Ogechi. Fortunate was telling Ogechi right on. Ogechi na fight the woman. Fortunate was telling Ogechi right on. When Ogechi decided to beg this woman, Fortunate was telling Ogechi, who is this woman that you must beg? Now, the same Fortunate sent his uncle to go and start begging the woman. Mana onye pu fake account to talk Igbo Abuja. Echini no yan buy flight. Land ya na Muritala Muhammad Airport. Go freely. Egypt was still after all. Who knows me? They don't know me. They think I'm stupid. I'm using fake account to comment.
Ugwaka has supposed to go after their real account. To come bring out your face and fight this battle.
Krista Woma, you are here. We are waiting. Relax with your fake account. Stupid people. With your fake account. With your fake account, you are here fighting. With your fake account, can you here now fight? Onadibe. With your fake account to kill your fight. Now Ogechi is in Nigerian custody. You are now gallivanting. They make a hell of noise. No query. Now, Ogechi now remembered. Ogechi now remembered. Now rather also. Mana mwe chidere. On a new modern fridge.
Oh, you block this akpa here because block that bastard. Yes, block the akpa.
Comment again.
Ewo delete
Just comment. You have free comment.
Or can somebody your block or layer?
Okay, on block, let's see. Comment again.
After me reply that thing, only a quack from
Yeah,
my
put the
side.
generation on yourself. So go there, comment again. It's a page here now. More of I had watch the program. Talk more of to comment. It's just 3 seconds walk. Onye ona no overstay a block where ban a block where the app is nya je na ebole na page jinjim. Nya je na ebole anywhere ha na ebe. Now, Ogechi, who will stand for you in the court of law, in the courtroom? Who will stand for you? Nobody. Who will stand for you? Everybody knows you as an evil woman. Who will stand for you? Even the day Obosaye will be in a courtroom. Obosaye Apollo will be in a courtroom. Any judge also na say what another courtroom. The judge will look at you like this and say, I know this woman. Is it not this woman that is bullying people on social media? Is it not you? What is that her name? What is that her name? Oh. If any name on a court, a tipu. Ogechi Okeke Njaka. George Yaneboneti. What is that her name? Oh. If any name on a court, I complete Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Because the world knows you. Where are these people that is chanting? Okarisia. Do you know the reason why I love?
Rio, why is it that all of a sudden they now started staggering me?
No, this one after payment. Enke Naya. You know, pay attention. Enke. The reason why they started staggering you is because that thing they thought you are is not what you are anymore.
Exactly.
Put me anywhere. Now they have seen that you are following the case now according to how it is. Now they started fighting you. They knew very well that none of them can confuse you anymore.
At all. Ugwad is wicked. Yes.
What I'm telling you is 100%. Enka o ni ihe mo ofuma ma gwa o ni ihe mo ofuma. Aye fa ya kokko nyi ona no. O ta kai kowa. Mana agwalo ngo na the level e no now. You upgraded yourself rapidly.
Yeah, because I stayed away from all my friend enemies.
You upgraded yourself rapidly. Look at how you quietly make peace with this woman, Okubie, which you are ready to make peace with Amakadora for peace to reign. You make peace with case closed. But let peace reign in Oilonwe. Because on a normal circumstances, the reason why we all gathered here is because of Ogechi Okeke Njaka. True or false? Ogechi was the person that tagged people unnecessary things. Before she went inside, before they captured her, I overheard her saying, "Oh, me this idiot to react to anything. Or see no more tag, no more rest in peace." Where is that? Where is that account? The account now about Nime Nigerian custody. Where is that account?
Adamazi, the already because your own petition got back. Adamazi, obvious tab. Your own song with that voice note.
Adamazi, if you bring out a voice note without the person's consent, be ready to face the warrant. Be ready to face the warrant. Just be ready to face the warrant.
No, I said notice him since then now. All draw up and I'm going to comment.
I'm on the UK now. Anybody book case
All draw up. You
UK
brought the
now.
conversation that at that point, Ada, you were my admin, and in fact, I trusted you more than the other ones. But I'm not going with the devil who gave all this while. So you felt that bringing out Maryam justice conversation, record, we will send wrong so that you will know here I discuss without no evil intention. Imanori, I could before God and man. Imanori.
Is he gonna?
Edited himself. Edited himself. Ne recorded me. I send all right before God and man.
Clear? Clear? And the me na nwa although mo na Adamazi a enwere issue. Mana Adamazi, the way she is doing and the saggering you, kaya sinaguna worst enemy.
No,
it's very, very wrong.
She is the enemy. She is the enemy. Now, Ima is so people have seen who are the real enemies. Because if I try me give a gift, I try me put that one. You what I go? But I like to meet him again. I hope that they will die with Sharoto.
But if I was an die with Sharoto, I wasn't anything now. Oh, Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Okay now, kefe ya de kuna. Kego di fa de kuna. Imana, ina ya ne funa movie industry in Yoroko. Kelifa just the only person now put this foolish ginger venza. Oh my God. Nyawa na atu egwu petition e delu n'isi. This is the reason why instead of him to look for solution. Kita chi ejibo after social media na akọ. Instead of him to look for solution after social media.
Ihu na onye na-apụta onye na-aga n'azụ na-esend nke ya ka ọ na-ayọ nnukwu nwanyị. Ọ pụta na social media ya na-pretend that all is well. Can't you people see that the problem Ogechi Okeke nwere is fortunate egbuchere? And you still, these people are still damned to see the problem here.
Ma tell you, Anke can was eziokwu now. Let me tell you the truth now. Okwifili na support Ogechi. They are supporting her because so many of them are abroad now no boy. Eji Ogechi, Oriak, bia, is. Eji Ogechi Akashili Cruise. Ogechi Okeke Njaka a while away the time. That is why you see them supporting her. Mimi Fedina support Ogechi. Look at them very well. Many of them are non-exile. Many of them are not exile. They have nothing to offer. They are just foolish. Gallivanting, making a hell of noise. Onwe hifo yemen, onwe rochishi. biko ife mụ nwa na-ekwu na awụ fonu m anyụwa n'ọkụ. ife mụ nwa na-ekwu na fonu m anyụwa n'ọkụ.
Ọrụ isi fonu anyụwa n'ọkụ, ị plọg ya?
Aplọg ọkụ nya o, ịma na enwere ebe njele teta mụla pụọ batazie chaja modu na mana ebe na-edewe phone until the charger the phone cannot stand, so I'm like stress myself unless no let up takwazi in life or again. Okuyota. Thank you. Thank you. Okuka ya pụta life.
Isubu na ị ga-akpọ m no way somebody si gị iji.
Okay, Emecha, I will call you. Just charge your phone.
All right, no.
Oh, let me just charge it. If I charge it, I will call you.
No, wale, but everybody ala.
Ngwanu, shuku gozie.
Right, sir.
Yeah. Oh, nke shi aka na-akpọ onye mechie nga n'ọga. Ọkwụlụ n'ama. Onye mechie nga n'ọga. So, ama biko, ama eji chukwu na yo hapụ nwaanyị ya do emezina video about that. Ya just appear ka ọnọị. Just appear ọnọị ngonwe nọị ka okwu bie biko eji chukwu na yo do na only ye ekwe. Stop calling the woman name. Just allow the woman to be. But so me will arrest I am alokwazie biko eji chukwu na yo. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe on this channel, share this video, subscribe for more interesting video. Thank you and God bless you for watching.